Welcome. In this video I will show you how to make your TCL 32V5C TV faster. So I'm gonna go through some quick settings that you can change in order to make your device work faster, both visually and practically. And first of all, what we need to do is go to settings. Then the first thing that we have to do is go to device preference, go to about section, software update, and here select network update. Make sure that your device is connected to the internet, and then select both system update. Let your device check for available updates, and if it does have any, it will automatically start to download the updates. Then go to service update, check for updates. If your software is updated to the latest version, that's alright, we can go further. But if your device started downloading an update, let it download and install it, and then hold down the power button and select OK to shut your TV down. Wait until the LED indicator appears at the bottom of your screen, then wait for about 5 seconds, and once it gets dimmed a little, press the power button to let your device reboot. And once your device is restarted, let's go change some more settings to increase our device's productivity. So let's go back to settings, then go to device preferences. After that, let's go to home screen. And in home screen, I want you to disable video previews and audio previews. These are the videos that appear on your home screen. So if you don't want to see any video and audio previews, and if you don't want them to load in the background and consume your device's storage and network, then switch both of these options off. You can also customize channels and remove the channels that you don't need to see on your home screen by switching the toggle to the left next to them. And after that, let's clear some apps, app storage. So let's go to settings, then open apps. Then let's see all apps. Or you know what? Actually, let's go to device preferences and let's go to storage, because it's much easier to do it here. Here we have something like cache data, and if you've been using your device for a while, you got a lot of cache data stored on your device. In order to clean all of it, just select this option, then click OK, then all of it will be erased in just one click. Besides, you can also remove some apps that you don't use on your device by going to apps section, then see all apps, then let this menu load, and now let's remove the ads that we don't need. For example, I don't need Prime Video, so we cannot remove it fully, but we can clear data of this application and then disable this application so it doesn't show on our TV and doesn't consume any data. Some application can be straight away uninstalled. I'm not sure if I have such. Maybe let's uninstall. Okay, Google Play Movies cannot be. Okay, maybe this one. So just select an application, uninstall it. If you don't need it, click OK, and it will be removed from your TV. And cleaning your device's storage will also help it improve its performance. Now, after that, since we are still in settings, let's go to about section, and let's check some legal information first. Now here you will find ads. Now what we need to do is open this menu and then enable this option. So opt out of ads personalization. This will stop stop Google from reading and learning from our behaviors in order to personalize ads from us. So therefore, no data will be sent to Google or from Google to our device in the background. This will also improve our device's performance and stability. Then let's go to user agreements, which is the next option on the list. And here we're gonna have to, so here just uncheck all the checkboxes, then click agree. Let's make sure that everything is fine. Okay, and now let's go to the very last option in About section, Android TV OS build, and click your central D-pad button or select button on your remote control 7 times on Android TV OS build until you see you are now a developer notification on your device's screen. Then go back to device preferences. Let's go to developer options, and now I want to visually improve or visually increase the speed of our device, so this will not affect the software this time. So what I want you to do is navigate down to Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale, and turn the animations off. And now navigating the TV will become much faster, as you can see for yourself, because TV doesn't need to perform any animations right now. And lastly, let's also check TCL Home. Let's go to Safety Guard. If you didn't enable it before, just press select button until you see this menu that I do. Then go to Device Manager. Here you can perform a quick speed up with one click, and you can also perform deep cleanup. Here you can clear the app's cache. You can either do this by cleaning each application's cache individually, or you can just press clean all and select clean all. You can also delete large files and other files to empty your device's storage in here. And also in App Manager we can uninstall some other applications. And by the way, we can see all the applications that we can uninstall on our TV. So we can uninstall all of them or just the ones that we don't need. Let's wait for them to be uninstalled. Okay. And so right now your TV will become much faster. Of course, you can disable, you can re-enable the animations in the developer options if you don't find this kind of navigation convenient for you. But generally speaking, this is what we can do to improve our device's stability and performance. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.